Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Genesis key fob. You're going to need a flat tip screwdriver, a nice stout one will be best, and then one of the replacement batteries. This takes one of the 2450s. You can get this off Amazon, it's just a few dollars, and there's a link below in the description. So what you want to do is this piece right here is coming out, and it's very difficult to get out. So you want to push in this button, and then pry this out. Like that. It's very difficult to come out. You can see right here, this little lip is what is stuck on that catch. All right, so once you have that out, there's a slot right here. You want to put your screwdriver in there and just firmly separate the two halves. Once you have that out, take your screwdriver, gently push here. Your old battery comes out like that. New battery goes in this orientation. This goes like that. Give it a good squeeze. You can test it right here. Make sure your red light's working. And then this piece, just want to make sure that this latch goes in on the side with this button. Just like that. And you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.